elocution speech on technology, Boon or Bane. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, judges, and my dear friends. Today, I am here to express my views on the topic technology, Boon or Bane. Technology has become an important part of our daily lives. From smartphones and computer to online classes and artificial intelligence, it has changed the way we learn, work, and communicate. But the question is technology a boon or a bane? In my opinion, technology is a boon when used widely and a bane when misused. Let's first look at its advantages. Technology has made life faster, easier, and more convenient. Students can attend online classes, research information within seconds, and learn new skills from anywhere in the world. Doctors use advanced technology to save lives, farmers use modern equipment to improve farming, and scientists continue to make discoveries that benefits humanity. During emergencies, technology helps people stay connected with their families. It has also created new opportunities in education, business, and communication. However, every coin has two sides. Excessive use of technology can lead to addiction, poor health, and reduced physical activity. Many children spend hours on mobile phones and social medias instead of studying, playing outdoor, or spending time with their families. Cybercrime, online fraud, and the spread of false information are also growing concerns. Technology itself is neither good nor bad. It depends on how we use it. Just as medicine can heal when taken correctly but harm when misused, similarly, technology can build a better future or create problems if used carelessly. Therefore, we should use technology responsibly. We should balance screen time with outdoor activities, use the internet for learning, protect our privacy online, and avoid becoming dependent on gadgets. I would like to end with a simple thought. Technology is a wonderful servant but a dangerous master. Let us make technology our helper, not our habit. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead. Just think about technology. And the choice is yours.